Welcome to Summerstone in Wesley Chapel. This beautifully upgraded 4-bedroom, 2-bath home offers the perfect blend of comfort, style, and functionality. Step inside to an open-concept floor plan designed for modern living and effortless entertaining. The kitchen is a true standout, featuring granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, generous cabinetry, and ample pantry space. Ceramic tile flooring in the main living and wet areas adds durability and a touch of elegance throughout the home. Enjoy Florida living at its best in the serene backyard retreat. Summerstone residents enjoy fantastic community amenities, including a resort-style pool, playground, cabana, and half basketball court, offering something for all ages and lifestyles. Conveniently located near restaurants,